Welcome to ASL Interactive Clothing Vocabulary Quiz. New vocabulary. Watch each sign, sign along, then engage with each quiz. Sign with me, sign, backpack. Sign with me, sign, belt. Sign with me, sign, boots. What is this sign? The answer is backpack. How did you do? Keep going, you've got this. Sign with me, sign, bracelet. Sign with me, sign, clothes. Sign with me, sign, contact lenses. Sign with me, sign, dress. Sign with me, sign, earrings. Sign with me, sign, flip-flops. Match the signs with the correct word. Great job, check your answers. You're doing great, let's keep that momentum going. Sign with me, sign, glasses. Sign with me, sign, hair. Sign with me, sign, hat. Find the sign, hair. The answer is B. Every sign counts, you've got this. Sign with me, sign, beanie. Sign with me, sign, jacket. Sign with me, sign, necklace. Match the signs with the correct words. Great job, check your answers. Nice work, practice makes progress. Sign with me, sign, pants. Sign with me, sign, purse. Sign with me, sign, ring. Sign with me, sign, scarf. Sign with me, sign, shirt. Sign with me, sign, shoes. Find the sign, scarf. The answer is A. Nailed it? Let's level up. Sign with me, sign, tie shoes. Sign with me, sign, shorts. Sign with me, sign, skirt. What is this sign? Woohoo! Keep those signs flying. Sign with me. Sign, socks. Sign with me. Sign, watch. Sign with me. Sign, wear. Find the sign, watch. The answer is C. If you got 100%, the ASL Fairy just added a star to your file. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit aslinteractive.com, like, comment, turn on notifications, share this video with friends and family, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.